Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GoDaddy to build a website. First, you'll want to choose a memorable domain name that perfectly represents your brand or business. GoDaddy offers a wide selection, making it easy to find the right fit. Next, pick a professional template from their extensive library. There are hundreds of options available. Finally, begin customizing your chosen template by adding your unique text, high-quality images, and engaging videos to make it truly yours. Now, let's personalize your site. Populate your pages with compelling content, including your brand story, product descriptions, and services offered. Ensure your website has clear and intuitive navigation menus, typically found at the top, so visitors can easily find what they need. Don't forget to integrate crucial features like a contact form for inquiries or social media links to connect with your audience across platforms, enhancing user experience. If you're looking to sell online, GoDaddy makes it simple to set up an e-commerce store. You can add up to 5,000 products, manage inventory, and process payments securely. To boost your site's visibility, implement basic search engine optimization, or SEO, by using relevant keywords in your content. Also, connect your website to popular social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to expand your reach and engage with a wider audience. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire website. Check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues across all pages. Once you're confident, hit the Publish button to make your website accessible to the world. Remember, website building is an ongoing process. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant, and monitor your site's performance using GoDaddy's built-in analytics to ensure continued success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.